1989 Fleer Rack Pack. Let's try again. Kind of struck out on the wax pack we just opened up, although we did get the Lou Whitaker. But we're looking for that Billy Ripken error card, one of the 5 cards. Got some good value to them. Also, we're looking for the rookies of Craig Biggio, Randy Johnson, both made the Hall of Fame in 2015. The Randy Johnson card for 89 Fleer, there's an error version of that. Gary Sheffield, looking for his rookie, as well as John Smoltz. And Ken Griffey Jr., his rookie card is in the 89 Fleer set. So let's take a look and see what we can find in this rack pack. 89 Fleer. There we go. Keep those cards in camera view so nobody says I changed them up. All right, first section, Spike Owen. Greg Maddux, not going to be his rookie card, but I think a second or third year card. Good deal on that. Bill Wegman, Stu Clyburn, Brian Harper, Mike Bilecki, Pat Sheridan, Dennis Rasmussen, Major League Prospects of Luis De Los Santos and Jim Campbell, both for the Royals. Good deal on that. Chris Gwynn, Bob Brower, Tracy Jones, Frank White, Bruce Benedict. Our first baseball sticker of the Cincinnati Reds with some team history on the back. Second section got Mickey Brantley. And that's going to be a little cut, a little funny. Looks like it goes up like that. That's interesting. And it looks like maybe all of them might be like that. Mike Aldrete, Guillermo Hernandez, Mike Scioscia, Jeff Ballard, Mike Scott, Greg Caderet, Dickie Thon, Ken Phelps, Steve Bedrosian, Rich Williams, Deion James. Oh, very nice. Home runs coast to coast card of Will Clark and Darryl Strawberry. Yeah, this looks like this middle section's slightly off cut. Like a little bit of a diagonal cut. Steve Lake. And our second baseball sticker of the San Diego Padres. All right, third section, we've got Craig Worthington. These look better. Rafael Ramirez, Stan Javier, Carmelo Martinez. Oh, nice, Don Mattingly. That's a score. Love Don Mattingly. All righty, Mike Schmidt, another phenomenal player. Scott Fletcher, Zane Smith. Superstar Specials of NL Pitching Power with Danny Jackson and David Cone. Steve Peters, Tom Candiotti, Terry Leach, Charlie O'Brien. For the Record of Greg Maddux, that's a cool card. That's going to be an insert card. And then our last sticker of Chief Wahoo and the Cleveland Indians. All right, not bad in that third section. Picked up the Mike Schmidt and the Don Mattingly. Not sure if I have this one, so that'll be a great addition to the collection. 1989 Fleer Rack Pack. Didn't quite get what we were looking for, but this kind of makes up for it. All right, thanks for watching.